Good morning. I hope you all are enjoying rainy season. Today we are going to learn one new rhyme. It is all about the rain.
See, children, those are the raindrops falling down my window pane. Do you see that? In this rhyme, a little boy is asking the raindrops, "Oh, where do you come from? Raindrop, आप कहाँ से आए हो?" Pitter patter. That's the sound the rains are making. And the boy is not able to go out to walk or play. He is enjoying rainy season. It's a lovely rhyme for the rain. Let's sing it together. So, are you ready? Feet together, lock your fingers. Little drops of rain. Oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? Pitter, patter, down the window pane. They won't let me walk, they won't let me play, and they won't let me go out of doors at all today.
So children, did you enjoy the rhyme? Let's revise one more time.
Feet together, lock your fingers. Little drops of rain. Oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? Pitter, patter, down the window pane. They won't let me walk, they won't let me play, and they won't let me go out of doors at all today. Now, children, look at this picture. How is the weather? Is it sunny day? No, it is a rainy day. It is raining. And who is standing near the window? Is she a girl? No, he is a boy. A boy is standing near the window. And does he look sad? No, he is smiling. He is looking at the rain and smiling. Though he cannot go out and play, he is not sad. He is enjoying rainy weather. Hope you enjoy the rhyme with Dipali ma'am. Bye bye.